Hey, in this video, we're going to be showing you how to set up your Spaceship account to work properly. So you can just go in here, type in your account information. Just going to log in here with some details. So as you come into the account, just note where things are. So in the top right, you're going to see your profile information. You can edit your profile and settings as well as log out. You can click Get Started up here as well as Help and Support. This green button obviously is going to be to create a new quiz. If you have the white label feature, it'll appear here. You'll have traffic secrets and storytelling secrets down here. The integrations are here, so let's go to the integrations page. These are all the integrations that are available depending on your package. You'll be able to connect applications here, so you just have to click connect for each campaign that you want to connect. For example, if you want to connect Aweber, it'll take you to connect Aweber. Then you simply place your authorization code, and it works that way for just about all of them. It's pretty straightforward. Just follow whatever it says to do when you click it. So insert pixel. The pixels are a little different than connecting an autoresponder, obviously, but you get the picture. You just simply have to click connect on whichever one you are going to do. Export allows you to export leads so that once you have, if you're not connecting an autoresponder, you can export just leads manually from here. So you'll be able to download them directly from here. And here at home, you'll be able to create all your quizzes. You'll be able to see all quizzes here. You'll be able to see published quizzes. You'll be able to see draft, and you'll be able to see archived. So under published quizzes, you can see that on this particular account, we've run a few. You can see different pages down here by clicking the different buttons. So what I'm going to show you now is how to actually go in and create a quiz. So let's say you want to start going. So you go to create new quiz. If you want to use a pre-created quiz template, you can click here. If you want to start a new quiz, you could click start new quiz. So let's just make a title. If you want to add an image here, you simply click here, and it will pull up your ability to add an image. So I'm not going to add an image right now, but I just want to show you how to do that. Also, the quiz name is only for you to see, and then quiz title is what they see. You can see it popped up here. This is the preview. So decide what you should eat for lunch today. You can choose your call to action. Let's see. Just give you an example here. Social sharing, we'll put little buttons here for people to click and share the ad directly. And a start page, we'll put something that doesn't just load the first question. So it'll be like a page that pops up and it says, do you want to start the quiz? So it'll kind of look like this. Let's go ahead and say click save. So now we can create our results. So the results are actually going to be what people see as a result. So for example, eat pizza for lunch could be a result. So if you go down here, you have the option to redirect to a URL or just have a result builder here. And that's exactly you should have for lunch. Okay, so now we have a result. We're just going to click save result. So that result is now here. The next thing is we could create a second one. So maybe eat Chinese food for lunch. You go to result builder and you do you love General Tso's, and that's exactly what you should have for lunch. Click save. Now you have two results. So that's good enough for our example here. You see how you can add more. It's very easy. You can click save and continue. So in here you'll be able to add a question to ask people, do you like cheese and sauce? Okay, I'll just make that easy. So an answer could be images and text. So if you want to do an image, you just simply use this button here. It'll pull up images. And basically that's how you could do it. Now text answer would just be text. So in this case, yes. Okay, add answer. No. Okay, so we'll do yes or no. So if they say yes to liking cheese and sauce, we can click this little button here. And clearly they should eat pizza for lunch. If they say no, we'll say they want to eat Chinese for lunch. So you save this question after that. Now you have your first question. Now we can say, do you like chicken in a sweet, delicious sauce. So again, you could say yes, and you can have a no, and then you could click here for yes, and you can make it, if it's yes, eat Chinese food for lunch. If it's no, eat pizza for lunch. Okay, and then you click save question. Save and configure lead. Okay, now if you don't want to collect leads, lead capture, if you click this, you'll be able to choose what kind of lead capture form you want. If you don't do this, you will still be collecting leads. It will only be in the export section though. So if you want to add them to an autoresponder, you could do it here, whether you want to do Facebook opt-in. So in here you could set up for Facebook opt-in and put all the necessary information. Or you could just do a lead capture form, and you could put all the information in here. So you could say where to put it after quiz. You can give them an option to skip it if they want to. You could select first name, last name, different options here. Phone number, or you could do none and just do email. It's up to you. You could choose a conversion pixel so that it tracks whenever someone opts in. Privacy policy link, lead notification, integration. So you could do whatever integration you want. And basically that's how that works. You can apply segmentation down here. So if you want to add it to a certain type of list, you could do that. And that's how that part works. So I'll just leave that off for now. So now you're at the page for offers. So if you click here, you can offer, and you can display an offer. So what that means is if you want to show a certain type of, depending on their output, you could show an offer that is going to show depending on what kind of result they get. So you could choose a banner, headline, and a button, just a promotional banner image, or a headline and a button. So you could type in stuff here, get your Domino's gift card here, and then maybe you have some sort of affiliate offer to a Domino's gift card. And then you just click save offer and apply to all, or just save offer. If you want to save offer and apply to all, it's going to be the same offer for all outcomes. If you want to just save an offer to a particular outcome, you just click save offer, okay? Or you can enable or disable offer. And that's essentially how you use the setup. So let's just go in and look at what a completed quiz looks like. So from there, you just go to review and publish. On this page, you'll see your quiz URL is going to be right here. If you want to embed it onto your website, it's right here. Exit intent embed code is right here. So users will get a pop-up basically when their mouse goes over the top of your browser. And the button pop-up embed code, the users will get a pop-up with their mouse hovering over a link provided. So you have different options for where you want to export this code, okay? And we'll cover how to do that in another video. So basically that's how this whole thing works. And let's quickly just go to, let's see, home. What should I eat for lunch? Let's go to this quiz and just check it out. Well, let's do this. I'll do the skin score because that's, on this account, one of the ones that I completed the most. So here's the buttons that I was talking about. Start quiz. So as someone goes through the quiz, I'll just go through fast, but you basically just click on the one you want. It's pretty smooth. They enter their email. Okay, and then they click show my skin score. And here's that offer we were talking about. Here's where it displays their information. They have the option to share it on Twitter or Facebook. So their result comes here, and then you could set up for a heading, banner, and button here. And basically, yeah, that's basically how it works.